I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, about 5 ounces, drained well. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 stalk of finely chopped celery, and 1/4 of a small onion, also finely chopped. Don't forget your salt and pepper to taste. These simple components form the foundation of a classic and satisfying tuna preparation. Now let's prepare the tuna. Open your can and drain it thoroughly. You can press the lid against the tuna to remove as much liquid as possible. Then, transfer the tuna to a medium-sized bowl. Use a fork to gently flake the tuna, breaking it into small, uniform pieces. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable texture in your final dish. It's time to bring everything together. Add your 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, the finely chopped celery, and the finely chopped onion to the bowl with the flaked tuna. Gently mix all the ingredients until they are well combined and the tuna is evenly coated. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust as desired. Your delicious tuna is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it in many ways. Try it on 2 slices of toasted bread for a classic sandwich, or scoop it onto crisp lettuce leaves for a lighter option. It also pairs wonderfully with crackers or as a topping for a green salad. Garnish with a sprig of fresh parsley for an appealing finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.